In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change lowercase to uppercase in Google Sheets 2023. Google Sheets is a fantastic tool for data management and analysis, and learning how to manipulate text, like changing lowercase letters to uppercase, can really enhance your productivity. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to have your Google Sheet at the ready. You can either open an existing document or start a new one. If you're new to Google Sheets, just head to your Google Drive, click on New, select Google Sheets, and you're in business. Once you have your document open, it's time to focus on the cell you want to convert. Identify the cell containing the text that you'd like to change to uppercase. Click directly on that cell to select it. This action minimizes errors and ensures you are directing the formula to the correct spot. Now that you've selected your cell, you're ready to input the formula that will transform all of the text to uppercase. Type in the formula starting with the equals sign, as you do for all formulas in Google Sheets, followed by the word upper, then open a parenthesis. After the parenthesis, you'll indicate the source cell by typing its coordinates, like A1, if that's your selected cell. Close the parenthesis to complete the formula. It should look something like this: X upper A1. This formula is telling Google Sheets to take the text in the specified cell and convert it to uppercase. After typing out your formula, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will execute the command, and you'll promptly see the text change to uppercase in the selected destination cell. It's as simple as that. Now, if you have more cells that need this transformation, there's no need to retype the formula. Google Sheets has a handy feature called autofill. To use it, click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell you've just converted. You'll see your cursor change to a thin plus sign. Click and drag this down or across the cells you want to apply the uppercase transformation to. When you release, Google Sheets will autofill the formula into all selected cells, changing any text to uppercase instantly. And there you have it. You've learned how to change lowercase to uppercase in Google Sheets. Using the upper formula alongside Google Sheets' autofill feature makes handling large sets of text data much more manageable. Feel free to practice this a few times until you're comfortable, and soon you'll be using it without a second thought. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this instruction helpful. Keep experimenting with Google Sheets. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with just a bit of formula knowledge.